4 factors affecting housing supply. If you've been preparing to buy a home in the last couple of years, then you're probably aware of the serious housing inventory shortage you may have to contend with. Low housing supply has led to the rising home prices, buyer competition, and in many markets, bidding wars. But what has caused the shortage in the first place, and why hasn't it changed much in recent years? Here's what you need to know. Slow housing construction. Builders have reduced their work since the housing crash in 2008. There have also been issues with supply chains, rising costs of lumber and other materials, contractor shortages, and all these elements have made it harder to build new homes to increase the supply. Homeowners are staying put. Right now, mortgage rates are higher than they were at the height of the pandemic. Finding a new home doesn't always make sense for homeowners with a 2 or 3% interest rate seen a few years ago. Few are choosing to sell because of interest rates, but many older homeowners are choosing to age in place too, which keeps the number of existing homes on the market low. High demand. Home buying demand jumped during the pandemic, and while it slowed a bit due to higher mortgage rates, demand is still outpacing supply. Much of this demand comes from millennials who are now at their prime home buying age. Institutional investors. Big investors are snapping up properties too, and they often hope to rent them out, which takes them off the market for sale. At one point last year, they accounted for almost 7% of all home sales. Despite these headwinds, finding a home that works for you is still possible if you have the right help. Are you ready to buy? Reach out today.